Omukuru gw'okushoboza ebibuuzo ebyakozirwe abeegi ba siniya mukaaga b'omwaka 2024 gwakorerwa omu maka g'obwa President Nakasero. Okulija UNEB omwaka 2024 abeegi babaase kukora gye ekigezo ki Economics, Literature, English, Physics na Biology, bitu Entrepreneurship, CLE, Geography, Math, Agriculture na Chemistry ebe babikozire kuba okutwaliza hamwe.
Learners amongst the 2024 USCE cohort who studied sciences and mathematics continue to increase year in, year out.
Minisita Janet Kataha Museveni yasiima aboona abayihireyo okureba ngu omwaka 2024 ebizamu ebe bikatambura gye. Nagira ngu ka ministry niyo kugumizamu okukora ogwayo okureba ngu enshomesa ensya bayongera kugita amutindo omweegi ashohore aine ekyari kubaasa kwekora.
A matter of necessity and urgency, review their respective curricula for initial teacher education and training. So that's the trend we are taking. I'm sure you understand that we are moving from here to also higher education at the university level.
Babeegi abaze kukora gye bari mu kushemererwa.
Secondary school tukashitamisa abaniga n'omwe omuri abasingire nibamweta Amusimire Joshua akana atwara PCM aine obubonero 18.
Naturinda Cleophas head teacher omwanya ogwo yanja kushobora okubaze kukora.
Abana bonna iga n'omwe nibakorofayinga kuza university.
Turyasingura Thobias Dos na Asima abazire n'abeegi abaze kwehayo ab'omwaka 2024 okukora gye.
Boniza kusima abazire bitu Biterero Secondary School okukira munonga okushashura school fees ombwire kana n'abeegi babo bwarango batikaje kandi ubona mbaza university.
Ab'omwaka 2024 abishi abashitamire ebigezo bya siniya mukaaga n'emitwaro mukaaga 1957 abojo n'emitwaro 839. Ab'omwaka 2024 abeegi abaze kugwa ni 1,632. Abwa TV West ndi Senyomo.